Good morning students, I am your English teacher back with your continuation of the exercise discussion. Get ready with your textbook and a pencil in your hand and open it to page number 21. And we remember that we had discussed these questionnaires discuss these questions in pair before you write the answers. So, we have to discuss, though I had discussed it, but I will just go with a little preview of it. Let's go it and do it again. Discuss these questions in pairs before you write the answers. Why did the dog feel the need for a master? Because he was a vagabond type of animal and he wanted to have someone with him so that he may not be scared or afraid of anyone, and he want a little protection from the most strongest you can say the creature or the most strongest personality in the world. Who did two I am discussing now? Who did he first choose as his master? Why did he leave that master? So, he met first wolf and he chose him because he was according to that moment, or in that moment the dog found that he was the strongest animal on the earth, and he became he made the wolf was his master, that is the dog chose him, and he left him because he saw, and the next moment when the time came arise, then the wolf met a bear. The wolf was scared of bear, and so the dog left that master and went to become the servant or made the master the bear as his master. Okay. I am repeating again so that you may keep in mind. It is not that you are going to write it again and again the same sentence in your notebook, children. Okay, let us go for the 3. Who did he choose next? So, after wolf he chose the bear. The bear was at that moment for the dog was the most bravest and courageous you can say the living thing on the earth. Then why did he serve the lion for a long time? Because lion as it is the king and the most strongest and the most bravest animal of the you can say of the woods, of the jungle. So, he was living in a jungle at that moment, and obviously he made a lion his master for that reason. Who did he finally choose as his master, and why? He after lion, even the lion was scared of someone, and that he came to know in the end of the story, that is the man is the most strongest personality of the earth. So, lion was too scared that he may be captured by the man, and so till this day dog is the most faithful servant and the most lawful or loyal servant of the man and even the friend. Okay. Now, let us go for this story completion. A summary of the story is given below. Fill in the blanks to complete it taking appropriate phrases from the box. So, here these phrases are there. You know what is phrases, children? Phrases is a group of words which has a little meaning, but not complete meaning, as it is not having a verb. So, let us add it to our sentence to make it give it to a perfect meaning. This is the story of a dog. So, you have to write a dog who used to be what? Afraid of you can say man. He decided to find a master for himself, okay, where it is master stronger than anyone else. First he found wolf, but the wolf, turn your page children, was afraid of bear. The dog thought that the bear was the most strongest personality. Let us go back. Is afraid. No, this will not be there. I will repeat again. This is a dog. I will keep on writing because I made a mess of it. This is a story of a dog who used to be afraid, who used to be his own master. Am I right, children? Yes, his own master. According to the story as we had read, according he was first his own master, he decided to find a master stronger than anyone else. So, here I will just write stronger than anyone, it will not fit, so I will just go up a little, anyone else. Then you have first he found wolf, first he found a wolf, but the wolf was afraid of bear, was afraid of the bear. The dog thought that the bear was dash. What it is? The bear was the strongest of all, was the strongest of all, but sometime the dog met, after some time the dog met, whom did he meet? The lion, met the lion. Children, see my pronunciation of lion, because I have heard many children saying it in a different pronunciation. It is lion. Okay. Then who seemed the strongest? He stayed with the lion for a long time. One day he realized that the lion was afraid of the man. Go back and see, afraid of man, was afraid of man. Your writing should be good, children. Yes. So, to this day the dog remains man's best friend and even very loyal. Okay. Let us go for working with language. Each word in the box given below indicates a large number of you can say the words, which is you will say the group of it specifies you have to means accompany, that is a group of, for example, a herd of cows, that is when you refer to some animals in a group, how you refer to? Refers to many cows. Okay, herd of cows, it refers to many cows. And many things, कुछ भी चीज़ हो, फूलों का बहुत सारा गुच्छा हो, उसको क्या बोलेंगे? So, here the group of something is given, the word is given. So, complete each of the following phrases with a suitable word from the box. So, you are going to do this, children. Okay. Ships, it is your you can say fleet, fleet of ships. Then flowers, bouquet भी होता है, and here we will say bunch. Then you have chicks, then you have cattle, cattle will be herd, chicks will be brood. I am not going to write everything. Then sticks will be bundle of sticks, then sheep will be flock of sheep. Then you have fish will be the school of fish, school will be with fish, and wolves will be pack of wolves. So, you are going to complete and show me on my WhatsApp, and then I will see whether you are done your work correctly or not. So, here you have make nouns from the words given below by adding NESS or ITY, loyalty you can say, then dignity, then here or to add words we need to add just TY or Y. So, honesty is just Y. I will do it here 1 or 2 for you, the rest you are going to do it, children. Honesty, then here you have kindness, then you have cruelty. Okay, so you are forming this into the nouns, cruelty. Then you have calmness, sadness, activity, then creativity, sincerity, cheerfulness, bitterness, sensitivity and greatness. So, I have read it, you are going to write and send me. Turn your page to the next. Here it's a puzzled up, you have to do it. See, let's see what they are going to, what they are telling us to do. There are 12 words hidden in this table, 6 can be found horizontally and the remaining 6 vertically. All of them are describing words like good, happy. The first letter of the word are given below. So, with the help of these letters we can find. So, for the H, it's what? Hasty. Horizontally SI, right to left or left to right, and vertically is top to bottom, bottom to top, but it will be from top to bottom. So, here hasty we got it. This is the first word, I am not going to do the whole. Then you have over here with your R, then with your W you have verse, WORSE, verse, you have to search. Okay, yeah, I got it, verse. I will just make a line because with your rule scale you can do it better in your book. Verse. Then the rest you are going to do it. Children, it is an interesting game, you will learn your words and in searching you will remember those words. So, here we have some opposite words they have told. This letter, this whole story you are going to read it for yourself. I will just help you 1 or 2 in this. Find the opposite of these words in the text above. ऊपर ही मिल जाएगा आपको. Okay. So, here we have for ancient, it is very easy, modern. Okay, children. For your wild, it is tame. So, I will do the easiest one, the hardest one you are going to do it for me. Actually, I can give you the whole, but I want you to try. Okay. Now, complete the following sentences. These sentences you are going to complete. Think and name some other such animals. So, you are going to name it with the help of dingo is what type of a dog, dogs were first dash animal tamed by human. So, wild aayega idhar. Okay, dingo is what type, you can complete it from here, dingo it is over here. Okay, I will do the reading. The dog family is one of the 11 families that make up the carnivorous, a large group of intelligent, flesh eating, backboned animals. In this group are such varied animals as bear, pandas, raccoons, cats, hyenas and even seal. The dog or canine family has many wild species like wolves, fox, then coyotes, jackals and wild dogs. The dog is the only domesticated member of the canine family, though now and then someone tames a wolf, fox or coyote as a pet. All members of the dog family are descendants of you can say of a wolf like animal which lived about 15 million years ago from this distant ancestors. So, you got, see near ka kya word hai idhar, okay, ancestors. Then you have the true dogs gradually developed, but nobody knows the exact ancestor of the modern domestic dog. Several wild dogs look and behave like domestic dogs. The dingo or wild dog of Australia. So, here you got the answer of the first fill in the blanks. What type of dingo it is, dog is. Okay. Then you have brought to Australia long ago which then ran wild. तो पहले तो tame था फिर वो wild हो गया. Dogs were the first animals tamed by human perhaps 20,000 years ago. Tame dogs were brought from Asia to the New World 5,000 or more years ago. Dogs were first used for hunting. So, related to this same passage which you have read the story, you are going to complete this 1, 2 and this also, the family of dog is there. You have to complete this chart and just let me know or send me it on my WhatsApp. I'll be thrilled to see that you are doing your work. Okay children, so this is the end of the lesson. Hope you enjoyed with me. Even I enjoyed explaining and getting the answers myself. You are going to read and find more answers which I haven't discussed or I haven't given it in writing, and we will be back soon in a next video. Till then children, have a nice day. Bye.